today your objective, your goal is to be able to count by fives all the way to 100. So we're going to do a little bit of practice. I will link some counting by five videos in the description box below. Now counting by fives families can be a little bit more challenging, and there's definitely a lot more numbers to say as opposed to when you count by tens to 100. So this skill might take some practice. We did practice before the break at school, but we didn't get too much practice in, so we're going to continue to practice now. Remember students, by the end of the year, your goal is to be able to count to 100 by ones, like 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 100 by yourself. And I'd also like you to work on practicing counting by tens and fives all the way to 100 by the end of the year. So when we count by fives, I'm going to scooch out of the way. We do this because it is quick, and every time we count by fives, we're skipping 5 numbers. I'll show you what that looks like in a minute. And it always ends with a 5 or a 0. Again, I'll explain more of that in 1 second. And, oops, I kind of erased a little bit of it, but your assignment today is to count by fives all the way to 100 2 times. If you can only do it 1 time, that's fine too, but preferably 2 times with a grown-up, a brother, a sister, a cousin, a grandparent, whoever you are with. So, when we count by fives, we are saying only these numbers right here. So we're not counting by ones, going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're not going to do that. We're going to skip every 5 numbers. And if you notice, when you count by fives, every time it's either going to end with a 5 or a 0. So if you're counting by fives and you're going 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, you kind of mess up right there because it should only end with a 5 or a 0. So I have it right here, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And I wrote these numbers in black, the numbers that come before or counting by 5 numbers, just so you could see. So your goal is to be able to go all the way to 100. We can do a practice now together. So I'm going to say the number. You can say it either with me if you already know how to count by fives, or if you're still needing some practice, you can go ahead and say it after me. I'm going to give a little pause after each number. Okay, so let's go ahead and get ready. I will go first. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Good job. So notice when I was counting by fives, the numbers that I said, they only ended with a 5 or a 0. So never did I say, 97, 26, 23. It has said with a 5 or a 0 for you to be doing it correctly. So I will see you on the next video. Make sure to listen to the Counting by 5 songs. To access the description box, I did post pictures and a video on Class Facebook and Class Dojo. But whenever you see the title of the video underneath, you're just going to click, there's a tiny little gray arrow. I want you to click on it. A drop-down box will happen, and then you'll see a couple links. And you click on those, and it'll take you to the videos that are related to this one. I hope you guys are doing good.